What's up guys, Internet Income Ninja here, back with another banging video on how you can make money online. And if this is your first time, welcome to the channel. And to not miss a beat, I strongly encourage that you subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, comment and share for more amazing ways to make money online. If you're returning, welcome back, and I hope the journey towards financial freedom has been a great one so far. Let's jump into this video as there isn't much time today. Today is April 5 and it is currently 12:33 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This role is for a support engineer at WordPress VIP. Many people have come to know WordPress as this just amazing website that helps you do pretty much anything. You can build a website from scratch, you can do blogging, and so much more. No, it's a full-time position, it's a customer support role, and you can work from anywhere in the world. Now, WordPress VIP is the digital platform of choice for the world's top brands and publishers. Our expertise running performant, secure, and stable applications at scale enables our clients to power high-touch digital experiences with ease. Our platform combines the unparalleled WordPress user experience with enterprise-grade infrastructure and best-in-class support, serving billions of web requests per day. And we've actually featured a very similar lead like this not long ago, actually just a couple days ago, and they are indeed looking for more people. So we'll just cut the fluff and get to the point. Here's what you'll do in a day or daily. You'll maintain the quality, accuracy, and thoroughness that is part of our high-touch concierge technical support, helping customers and teammates via tickets and real-time discussions using a variety of research, debugging tools, processes, detailed error reporting, and documentation. You'll be solving tough problems with customer sites, themes, and platform tools that often deal with edge cases and WordPress internals at scale. You'll be handling fast-moving situations and one-off projects involving complex dependencies, multiple partners, and tight timeframes, observing and relaying chances to make our platform, services, and overall offering more appealing, building and updating internal and customer-facing documentation, and those are all the things that you'll be doing. Required skills: excellent communication skills. There are distributed teams, so frequent and clear written communication is crucial. Self-motivated work ethic. Self-starters who love taking initiative and seeing things through to completion do well on our teams. Curiosity and the desire to learn. Keeping up to date with changing WordPress and technology trends on behalf of our teams and customers, often training others once proficient. Flexibility is key. Proficiency and eloquence in written English. Additional spoken or written languages can be beneficial. Now, deep knowledge of WordPress and the underlying code. Whether you are currently supporting individuals with their sites or maintaining your own, we're looking for theme, plugin, block editor, or e-commerce experience. It's important to be able to read the code when diagnosing and potentially resolving problems, and to have experience with WordPress or WP CLI, WordPress hooks and filters, imports, etc. Useful skills to have: strong understanding of the web, including familiarity with HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, REST APIs, HTTP, DNS, and SVN or Git. Experience working primarily in a customer-facing role, including support and training. Superb troubleshooting skills that help you take big problems and break them down into manageable pieces with elegant solutions. Understanding of issues around scalability and performance. Exposure to monitoring tools such as Kibana and New Relic. Support is provided 24/7, so an ability to regularly assist with weekend coverage, as well as some holiday and evening availability, will be a requirement. Our customers are global and rely on us to provide expedient support at any time of day. To apply, attach a resume and cover letter to this application page as PDFs, okay, not Word, not Google Docs, but PDFs. Then in the cover letter, we expect information on the following, and this is to weed people out. What is your WordPress experience? For example, have you developed WordPress sites for customers or worked on an enterprise level site before? Was it setting up the site or code development? Do you have experience with PHP, WP CLI, hooks and filters, imports, etc. Provide as much detail as you can. So if you've never heard of Automattic, they are the parent company behind WordPress, WooCommerce, Tumblr, SimpleNote, Jetpack, Longreads, Day One, Pocket Casts, and more. And there are 1,900 people who work for Automattic in 96 countries who speak 120 plus different languages. Okay, they democratize publishing and commerce, so anyone with a story can tell it, and anyone with a product can sell it, regardless of income, gender, politics, language, or country. We believe in open source, and the vast majority of our work is available under the GPL, which is the General Public License. And of course, General Public License was written under the Wikipedia umbrella, which is an open source website for knowledge, information, and facts. So of course they would send you to their page for that definition. Okay, so Wikipedia, WordPress, all that jazz, that's the company known as Automattic. Now, equity and inclusion, long and short, they welcome everyone once you're qualified. They don't discriminate based on any race or status or anything like that. Okay, so best believe that they want to know that you are qualified more than what your skin color is or what your religious beliefs are or your marital status. They don't care about that. They want you to get the job done, and they look at that. So you remember earlier when I mentioned uploading your resumes and PDFs and stuff? Well, hit this button. The application page will pop up. From there you can enter your information and get things done. Okay, so once you upload your information and send it off, look for authorized communication from Automattic or WordPress. Okay, so that's it. Very short, clean cut, to the point. You can become an automatician rather, working as a customer support engineer. Okay, so this is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more amazing ways to make money online. And check all the links in the description below for some pretty good deals, some pretty good books, and free information that you can work on. So guys, this is the Internet Income Ninja again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.